a woman house with her 2 picky them and her man. When she moved coming out the house, she make sure that she clean out the house and when they're a bunch of Christians, so she not do no sacrifice on the ground. Like all people love sacrifice, quote and them things she not believe in him somebody. So one time she and her 2 look up in them a play because she not really have friend. She go stay in her house and play with her pin them and stay until her man come home. And them used to have a game where them play named Joshwiah. Joshwiah is just a name she make up in her head. She just every time she run them down, she said Joshwiah come, Joshwiah come, Joshwiah come. And she run and said Joshwiah come. So she run them down, she catch them hide behind the chair, them hide behind the house, them scream out and just be fun. One day she said Joshwiah come, Joshwiah come, Joshwiah come. And she hear the door start shake off. The door start shake off. As she said Joshwiah come, you know. The door starts shake, so everybody starts scream, including she. So everybody run down, pick up figurine, knife. I said them go fight Joshwiah. Because if she has said Joshwiah come, then must Joshwiah really come. Run guard the window and look nobody in the outside. Run guard the neighbor them, ask the neighbor them if them see nobody coming at the yard, cause of the front door, whatever it is come. Nobody never see nobody. The neighbor them did out there. Nobody never see nobody. And my neighbor them enough. Cause I me and look up in them and the woman was my mother. She used to pay Joshwiah with me. And then Joshwiah really come. So that's our next story.